Well, the snow should be coming to an end as we head through Monday evening. And something cool looks like it's going to be happening if you want to get up early on Tuesday morning in the astronomical department. And we're going to have what's called an occultation. Basically what happens is a planet's going to be sliding behind the moon. In this case, it's going to be Mars. Now you can see this from about 4:40 a.m. to about 6 a.m. in the morning. You can actually see this with a naked eye. It's moon's big and Mars is fairly bright in the sky. But if you want to see it really well, you want to have binoculars, a telescope, or even a camera. You can't see this on a cell phone, but if you want to take pictures, a DSLR or a mirrorless camera works a lot better than that. And the reappearance, that'll be about 6. It'll be a little bit harder to see that only because the sun's starting to come up. We'll start to see some dawn, so not quite as clear. However, got to have some clearer skies to see this, or it's blocked by clouds. You're not going to be able to, obviously. So this is what we expect for sky cover, at least at this point when I'm filming this. This is on Sunday night when I'm filming this. So you can see areas say like Casper, Jefferson City, Riverton, those don't look too bad. Those actually look fairly clear at this point. A little bit more cloud cover though as you head up north, Buffalo up toward Grable as well. Now the worst place to see it is going to be the northwest. Will still be some clouds lingering around Yellowstone Park, as well as down toward Jackson, heading down toward Afton as well. So how do you want to view it? Well, first thing you want to do is look to the southeast. That will be where the moon's rising. It rises just before 4 o'clock. Mars will soon follow that. It rises right around 4 as well. And it'll be completely clear of the horizon, say about 4:30, unless it's blocked by mountains, obviously. But Mars will take about 20 seconds to disappear. Now, if a star disappears, it's so far away it just disappears instantaneously. But because Mars is much, much closer, especially if you can zoom in, you can actually see it slowly disappear. It takes about 20 seconds or so. Disappearance right around 4:42, that's in Casper. It'll give or take a minute, depending on where you are across the area. It'll disappear from the bottom left corner of the moon since it will appear that Mars is moving a little bit faster. And reappearance, that'll be around 6:01, again, depending on where you are, give or take a minute. And they'll reappear from the top right corner. And one more cool thing if you want to see it, a few minutes later there'll actually be some planets to the, basically in a line like this. Think the moon's here, well, Mars will be here, the moon's here, but you'll also see down here, you'll see Jupiter as well as Saturn in a line like that. That'll be around 6:15, right before it gets too light to really see the planets anymore. So if you can get up early or you can stay up really late that night, something cool if you want to take an eye of the sky and the skies are clear.